Right, you got 5 seconds to guess what camera is in this box. 4, 3, 2, 1. Guessed it? Alright, let's do the unboxing. I'm just fucking with you. I already unboxed the fucking thing. Did you really think that I could wait to unbox it like for the first time in front of you? No way, Jose. Alright, so I got here the Fuji X-T3 with the kit lens 18-55. I really wanted the X-T4, like for the past 2 months or 3 months or something. I was just going crazy, watching all the possible, reviews on YouTube and reading stuff about the X-T4 and, the autofocus, everything. I'm a pro right now when it comes to the X-T4. You may ask, why the hell did you get the X-T3 at this point if you wanted the X-T4? So the main reason I bought the X-T3 over the X-T4 is because, well, budget really, because otherwise I would have gotten the X-T4. It's got the flip out screen, it's got better battery life, it's got 422, all high internal, all that shit, But then I thought about it and I was like, okay, I got, if I buy the X-T4, I won't have enough money to buy an 85mm lens and a 35mm lens. So therefore, X-T3, which I think is a fantastic camera. I haven't used it that much so far. I've shot a few videos, tests, and a few pictures here and there, but I mean, I'm blown away by the quality of the video. It's like, oh, 4K, no crop. Oh my god, that's so good. This little camera, the Canon M50 that I'm shooting on right now, is pretty good. It's very good, but it doesn't really have lenses or 4K. It's cropped, no autofocus, like shitty autofocus. And I needed a camera to substitute this also. So it wouldn't be good only for video, but it would take also good pictures. Yeah, I'm selling this bad boy. I'm going to keep only the 35 because I want to use it with my F601. I haven't used this yet. It's been given to me by my ex-roommate, but I haven't used it at all. So I think it's the moment has come. Yeah, if you're interested in buying the D7200, DM me. It's got 150,000 shots, so it has done its job, really. I have been using this one for 3 years now, and it's been a very good camera. It's still a good camera. Problem is, the autofocus isn't fast enough. Sometimes it's not as accurate as I would like it to be, and well, I don't know. Look at these. It's a lot smaller, right? Sorry, but this has to end between us. I have a good feeling about this. I mean, it feels good in the hand. I'm definitely going to buy a battery grip, or at least a cage or something, because it feels good, but I think I'm so used to having a battery grip, like I'm used to having a bulkier body, like to keep it, to hold it with my whole hand. And yeah, I'm gonna get a battery grip because the battery life on this bad boy isn't exactly good. I already bought 2 batteries, so I can shoot the whole day. Hopefully it's not gonna die on me. But, I'm in love with this camera already. I haven't used it too much, but I can say that I fall in love with it. You know what? I'm gonna show you the quality of the Fuji 4K 24p 10-bit. Everything is gonna be the maximum quality that I can get out of this camera And are you ready? Are you ready to get your mind blown? Yeah, me neither. Alright, so I checked on the phone if I was in focus, if I was in the frame or not. I literally, right now, I am trusting the Fuji autofocus. I don't know, you tell me, is it working? Anyway, enjoy this 4K all intra 400 megabits per second goodness. I think I said all I before that, it's all intra, sorry. I'm gonna close with the Fuji X-T3. Expect a shitload of content coming from this camera, about this camera, with this camera. I got 35 millimeters coming on the way, and the 85 also. And yes, dear friends, I will see you in the next video. Bye. Yeah, look at this. This sexy piece of magnesium alloy and plastic. Oh my god. Can you hear this? Oh yeah. Sexy.